Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off secure text entered sound in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the audio. Then in the audio, tap the sound and half text. Then in this part, in the sound and half text, scroll down and go to text editing section, then tap the secure text entered. Then in the secure text entered, find the sound, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off secure text entered sound in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!